Dave Carter TV, the best among the rest. Dave Carter TV, entertainment mu akukuda, entertainment mu atikuba. Dave Carter, ojina kunya, not nasia. And some no odudwamu, back to say the pie kube.
Piao. You are welcome to Dave Carter TV. You know what to do already, so I won't talk about it. Please, I want to go today. I want to just do it quick for you. Listen, 3 Music Awards was held, I think last week thereabout. It was successful, but you see, we have some an adage in Chi that we always say, "Penin di penin, penin su die ojarebiya na nsuo asa, penin su eni hwi kra owa abatwe." You get it? You have to forgive my Chi. You know, my Chi is not that good, but you have to forgive my Chi. Please, VGMA is coming. The 22nd VGMA is coming, and it's coming like kakai. VGMA is about to announce the nominees for the 2021, so 2021, 2020 and 2021 edition of the Ghana Music Awards, which is going to be the 22nd edition. This is the 22nd edition, which and they are yet to announce the nominees. But there's a tension, there's a very high tension, not the casual high tension. This is a very high tension in town right about now. And you know, Dave Carter, when I walk around, I scout around, I listen to what people normally say. When I come here, I talk about it with you, then we digest into it together, because you know, together we stand. If there's any room for criticisms, of course we'll do it, and then we try to get solutions. That is, in that case, we are helping the industry. But I won't allow the situation whereby we talk about it, we talk about the problems, and we can't hit on the solutions. Now, what they talk about in town is that you all know that for some time Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy had been sidelined. I mean, they were banned from participating in the award scheme. That's the VGMA, which is the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. So, but thank God being so good, after the lift of the ban, there were some brouhaha. Shatta Wale, even recorded a song, Lift, for them, and he even said they lift their pants, and they Shatta Wale and his vibes, his lyrics, But Stonebwoy also came out to make a statement that VGMA need to pay them or something like that before they can be able to participate on, because like that is his personal view on their brands. Their brands are very huge now. They are working with a lot of organizations, so of course I stand with him when he's saying all this. He's just protecting his brand, and that is it. So big up Stonebwoy, big up Shatta Wale every time. Now that they brought them on, what the Shatta movement fans around the world and the BIM nations around the world is asking is that the nominees they will be announcing the nominees very soon, and they are hoping and praying that Shatta Wale is going to get a lot of nominations, and Stonebwoy too is going to get a lot of nominations. First of all, I will tell you that VGMA, kudos and big up to yourself, big up to the new team, big up to my brother Kwame Daze on the team now. Things are going to work hard. Things are really going to work out on a smooth level. People are going to love the award scheme again, because there are some archaic minds that were taken off the board, and the new minds that were brought, the fresh minds, I would say the youthful mind is going to help VGMA this year. Because looking at the bold step that they've taken, to bring these two artists on board again, this is the right time, this is the perfect time for them to bring them on. This band that they lifted, trust me, whether you like it or not, VGMA is going to benefit the more. VGMA is going to benefit the more, because first of all, listen to the breakdown. Shatta Wale has the highest followers in the world now. Stonebwoy has the highest followers in Africa now. So of course, if you are doing an award scheme without these two artists, my guy, you are losing. So this is the perfect time for them to bring them on. VGMA is gonna, if any of you would love to, let's do this. Like, I'll be very much happy. Like, let's weigh the patronage from then and then now. When after the awards, let's just rate the patronage, see how people are gearing up to be part of it, because these two artists are on board. They are the mouthpiece of the streets now. So VGMA and Vodafone are going to benefit more. Vodafone is going to benefit in the sense that many of these youth are going to vote. They are coming on board, because Shatta Movement fans, they don't joke. Beam Nation fans, they don't play. So these two forces coming to join up with the Sack Nations and the high grade, the Putukusu fans, the Gami side, it's going to be something big. VGMA, Vodafone, they are going to enjoy so huge now, because people are going to vote and Vodafone is going to earn more. VGMA is going to get the highest patronage for this year, 2021. I'm telling you. No doubt. Just check it. If they finish the awards, you can check it. So now people are like, when you walk around town now, people are talking. People are going like, yo, they are expecting Shatta Wale to get many nominations, Stonebwoy to get plenty nominations, and because of that, the competition is now going to be between Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale, because they are going to fight over the reggae dancehall artist again, the reggae song of the year again, So all these things, all these factors put into place, you could just say that it's a good thing that VGMA brought these two artists on board. So now the fans can't wait. When you walk in town, this is what they are saying. The fans say they cannot wait for the announcement. And when the announcement is out to the Shatta Movement fans, the Beam Nations, they are going to patronage, they are going to vote massively for their artists. They are going to vote massively for their artists to win whatever category they place them in. And this is going to be a competition, a tight competition, a very, 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 very tight one between the two artists. So I want the public to know that this is what is going to happen this year. There wouldn't be any war, there wouldn't be anybody. It's going to be a high tension, because now even the tension in town is very huge. Imagine the awards night. I pray that by the time the VGMA will come on, the corona, the ban on gathering will be lifted, and then we'll feel the thing. We'll have the real feeling, not a virtual concert kind of thing, and we'll have the real feel of the thing, of the awards itself. I will be there, Dave Carter. I'll be there myself. for the sake of the fans, for the sake of my followers here. I am going to follow it. I'm going to be there and follow everything and give them updates on it as it comes in. And I'm not going to bet you, I'm not going to leave anything out at all. I'm not going to leave any stone unturned. I am going to witness their wars from one to one. I am going to witness everything and make sure that I will follow it vividly. So please and please, if you are a fan of Shatter Movement and you are a fan of the Beam Nation, I beg, stay on your guard. Stay on your guard. This is coming to you guys. And please and please, get ready to vote massively for your artists. Because this time around, it's not going to be one side kind of thing. It's not going to be a done deal for Stonebwoy. It's not going to be a done deal for Shatta Wale. It's not going to be a done deal for anybody at all. So if you are a Beam native, you make sure you gather your money and vote massively for your artists. If you know you're a Shatter Movement, you make sure you vote massively for your artists. I am just announcing this to you guys so that you be on your guard. We hope that SM for Life is gonna come out with the highest nomination and is gonna come out with the highest award plaques on the night. Please, we are hoping and praying that Stonebwoy is gonna get the highest nomination. He's gonna come out with the highest awards plaques. This is for Ghana. It is all in the name of Ghana. It's time for us to support VGMA. When VGMA collapses, we all will collapse. I'm telling you. Take everything out. Whatever you are saying, we don't want to listen, because the people, they've organized the thing for 22 years. If you know, for 22 years. So for 22 years, and if such a company collapses, you think we are safe? When are we going to start from scratch again? So please, it's better for us to support who is up there, to read there. VGMA should be recognized in Africa like the Grammys in Africa. And we, the fans, are going to help this cause to happen. By so doing, we are going to support our artists without any violence. We are going to just support wholeheartedly. That is what we are going to do. And we, those of us in the media too, we are ready to push anything VGMA. I will do anything to push VGMA so that they reach to the top, because when they get there, I am also there. I'll be recognized as well. I'll be part of the people who supported the good cause. And you also watching me and listening to me now, you are going to be one of the people who support a good cause, and your name will never be left out. Trust me, I'm telling you. So get ready and let's vote massively for our artists then. Get ready, let's vote massively for our artists then. You get it? And me, I'm ready to do anything. I will not vote because I'm not voting for anybody. But me, I will spend my time to support you guys in any way, but not voting. You sure about you get that? Good. So please and please, Shatter Movement fans, Beam Nation, please, now that you guys are part of the awards, we know what you people can do. We know the influences that you guys get when it comes to your support for your artists. I know when 2014, when I was with some of the Shatter Movement boys, and what they were doing, I was so impressed. I was so happy seeing them so happy doing this, because one, when Shatta Wale was nominated for World Entertainer of the Year for the Irama Awards. Oh God, that was the 31st edition. That was the Irama Awards, their 31st edition. And Shatta Wale was nominated among Alkaline Chronics and other artists, for other big artists from Jamaica. And If you are from Ghana, you need to vote once because your IP will show that you are Ghanaian. You are from Ghana, you need to vote once. But what the guys were doing, they were buying IP addresses and they were changing their locations just to vote. So the next minute they are in Ghana, the next hour they are in Nigeria, the next hour they are in Togo, the next hour they are in Jamaica, they are in Gambia, everywhere. They were voting just to see their artists win this award. And of course, God is not a quarter man. I always tell you this. Shatta Wale won it. He won the World Entertainer of the Year from Alkaline and Chronics. This is big news. So please, I know what you guys can do. When Stonebwoy was nominated for the BET, I saw some of the Big Nation guys who were like so into the thing, like, and they were voting massively. They were supporting the thing wholeheartedly. And please, those are the things we want to see this year in VGMA. Do the same thing for them in Ghana here as well. Let them win this, let them win this, let them win this, and you will be recognized. Trust me, my guy. Trust me, my guy. You know how we do it when we come on Devkado TV. We make sure we explain everything vividly for you to understand and know what you are going for. What we are saying now is that the talk in town is that the Big Nation guys, the SM for Life guys, they are really, really, really ready to support their artists to win any category. And that is what we want to see. And me, I am supporting you guys to do that. Make sure you support your artists. Big up to the VGMA. God bless VGMA. God bless our homeland Ghana. God bless Shatta Wale. God bless Stonebwoy. God bless every musician. God bless you, Kwata Abudukusu. God bless you, Danny Boy. You see, so Devkado TV, we are supporting a good cause. So help us to support a good cause. Let's go. Let's move on the 22nd edition of the VGMA. It's going to be boom. It's going to be fire. It's going to be extraordinary. It's going to be something else. And Devkado TV, we are supporting this to the core. So big up yourself for supporting, big up yourself for watching, big up yourself for subscribing to this channel, and make sure you stay here because the update, the fresh update, the freshest update from the highest order, you will hear it first. Chuck Kuchem and Deku will get your back, we get your back, we get your back. Devkado TV, we say bless up, bless up, bless up, and ta-ta.